Hi, I'm Renee. Welcome to my Kudos Kitchen channel on YouTube, where today we'll be making these really adorable little groundhog, what I'm calling Groundhog Brownie-Mix Cupcakes. So they're not hard to make at all, even though they look like they may be complicated, but look how cute he is. Now this is him before he sees his shadow, because it's still been snowing, so he's not quite sure yet if it's going to be spring sooner or spring later. So what I thought was kind of fun, I went ahead and I took a bunch of pictures with a spring background. So that was him after, I think it's how it goes, after he saw a shadow. And then I went ahead and I powder sugared the bunch of them, and this is him before he sees his shadow, and maybe there's going to be a longer winter than what we would all hope for. We don't know. It's up to this little guy to tell us. So this it's not really a recipe, it's more of a method of how to make these. So I used brownie mix and Nutter Butter cookies, Oreo cookies, and then for his little like cheeks are peanuts, and his ears are peanuts. This is a Nutter Butter cookie. I don't know if I said that. These are Oreo crumbles, the dark chocolate Oreo crumbles on top of the brownie mix before the cupcakes were baked. He gets a ganache frosting dipping. And then he's got 2 little coconut teeth and some little black dragé nose and eyeballs. And that's pretty much it. Now through the video, I really didn't do any audio, but the process is pretty clear, hopefully, of how I showed to do it. So if you do have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. And also I will go ahead and leave the ingredient list down there as well. So if you do want to try and make this cute little guy, 9 cupcakes were made from this recipe. Yeah, you'll be able to. And I'm also going to put it on my website, blog, kudoskitchenbyrenee.com. So hopefully you like this and decide to watch it to the end, because it's a whole lot of fun. Now here's where I show how I used the peanuts to make his little cheeks and his ears. I split peanuts in half. I used honey roasted peanuts, but you can use whatever kind of peanuts you want. But I split the peanuts in half naturally, and then to make the ears, I cut those halves into quarters, if that makes sense. And then they will stick to your groundhogs once they've had a nice bath in chocolate ganache frosting. When the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any, to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow. and then give us a thumbs up. My husband Mark usually helps me. I don't think he did on this video, but that's okay. So yeah, give us a thumbs up, maybe subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. I'll pop a few videos up that are also fun and hopefully you'll find entertaining. So I hope you have a delicious day. Thanks for visiting.